Hey everyone, you here, back for another unboxing video. Today we have another Wave 3 Platinum, this time Platinum Neo Drago. Because he was hiding amongst all the normal Platinums. So yee. I still haven't seen any Geogun myself though, sadly. Just take a look at him in the packaging here. It looks quite nice, really. I have a feeling it's going to flop over more than the normal one does just because of all the metal. Alright, of course you got your product shot, your character card, your gate card, and your 2 cores. And that pretty much is it for the packaging. So let's just rip on into it. Alright. Free the cores and everything. If I can actually get a good spot to cut. Alright. Not quite check sheet. Gate card, not a new one. So go ahead and pause if you want to look at those stats. Okay, now the free Drago from his plastic ties imprisonment. Still just feel like this is gonna flop over a lot worse than the non-platinum. I could easily be wrong, but I'd be surprised if I'm not right. Alright. Set that there. Okay, and I think his back is breaking, yep. So here is Platinum Drago out of the packaging. Again, looking quite nice. 800 B power, interesting. I guess we should take a look at the cores. Double green fist, 1 plus 100 Pyrus Chaos get +3, and the other one is 100 B Ventus Chaos get +3. Make more sense if it was another Pyrus Chaos, just saying. Alright, let's close up Drago. A lot of these joints seem very stiff, which is actually a good thing, because it should stay closed better. Not that I have any issues with the non-platinum, but yeah. Nor have I heard of any issues. But here. Focus camera. Focus camera. Why is it not focusing? There it goes. Alright. Of course you got the non-platinum here. And once again, the translucent plastic looks a lot better than the normal. Again, it's only platinum singles that seem to get the translucent treatment. Alright. Just because with normal Drago, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, just not platinum. Here's platinum though. These go more so together. But will he be as good as this one? We'll see. Alright. Let's pop these guys off screen. So let's say if normal Drago will actually pop open. Okay. Let's see. Arrow right there. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan brawl. Hey. And he totally fell over. That could have easily been because of momentum. Because these two don't like to stand up on their own. There we go. All of them together. And I think the platinums look better, honestly. I don't know. It's just the shininess of the metal really makes it look better. Alright. character card, and not as good as the original Platinum. Platinum Neo Drago, double Flame Fist, or double Green Fist, sorry. Pyrus, I don't think I said Pyrus. 800B, 2 damage, and plus 500 on a Green Fist. So, let's see, that's like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13... About like 14, 50 at best, because I think they only hit, Green Fist only hit as high as 150. I mean, you could get like 5 damage, but could be better. There are better damage Bakugan. So yeah, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!